Telegram delivery. I'm not old enough to remember Telegram deliveries arriving. The name lives on though. The Telegram social media service provides a bot API that is accessible using web services. I can use it to deliver telegrams to my Pico W and get replies too. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Please remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary on the Telegram bot API project for the Pico. If you have time, why not check out the full video? This video continues a few I've done recently using interesting web services. The Telegram bot API is definitely right up the top of that list of useful web services. It's very much a pull client API, and so the Pico W can control when it checks for messages and do actions and has time to sleep in between. This is great for a battery device project. Creating a bot through the Telegram is really quick and easy. You just use the bot father service and answer a couple of questions. This gives you an access key, which is what we'll give to our Pico W to use with all communications with Telegram. I'm going to use 3 of the Telegram bot APIs in this example. On boot, I'm going to set my command API to give a menu of commands that the Pico will respond to as a bot. Then I will use the update API to get message requests and check if they're from an authorized Telegram user to talk to my Pico and process the request. And finally, I'll use the message API to send messages back into the chat session. All the code for this example is on GitHub, and you can build it for yourself. You will need to provide some environmental variables though to define your Wi-Fi credentials, the bot key and the authorized user. The last I could only get from scraping the API. The Pico W bot will only check for messages every 10 seconds. When I start the session, the Pico W will see the start message, but there's no default answer for this one, so you'll just get an error message come back. When we issue the command test, we'll get a test message back. And when I issue the command temp, I'll get back a temperature from the onboard sensor on the Pico W. The Telegram service is fairly easy to work with and well documented. After a little exploration of the protocol, I was able to quickly get the demos up and running. The only concern I have with the model is security. Although I can protect my bot to only work with authorized users, I'm still open to a denial of service attack. What I need is to be able to set up an allow list for the bot. I've not managed to find a way of doing this. If you have, please do let me know. I'd be really interested. If this video or any of my videos helped you out, why not buy me a virtual cup of coffee or lunch to say thank you? There's now that super thanks feature live on the channel. Just click the button. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Goodbye for now.